Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to run TikTok without the internet and run TikTok videos without the internet. A very simple method and an official method from the TikTok application. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before starting the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supported it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, you do is go to your TikTok account, then click on the profile icon or the personal file icon. After that, click on the three small lines here, then click on settings and privacy, then go down and search for videos without the internet. You will find videos without the internet here. Click on them, and here in this interface you can download about 200 videos when you are connected to Wi-Fi, and when you are not connected to the internet, you will be able to watch those videos without the internet. When you connect to the internet again, those videos will be updated to new videos, so that you can watch them when you are not connected to the internet. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments. We will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.